are going to be learning about the causes of World War I. And we're going to be reading about World War I, but before we read, we are going to predict what words are that we're going to see in our reading. We're going to do this by doing a word splash. In front of you, you either have pictures or words. You are going to look at the words or your pictures, and you're going to predict what each word means by writing it in a sentence. Your sentence is going to start with, I predict this word means. Or, my picture shows that militarism or alliances means this. Before we get started, let's read all of the words together. Militarism.
Militarism.
Alliances.
Alliances.
Assassination.
Assassination.
Nationalism.
Nationalism.
World War I.
World War I.
Imperialism.
Imperialism.
When we're finished predicting what the words mean, we are going to predict how the words connect together. Okay?
Okay.
Are there any questions about what we're going to do?
No.
All right. You guys can start. And you guys can talk to each other too.